Welcome students. Today we are going to discuss on some points. First point is habitat. Students, every living organisms need one place for their all over development and this place is called habitat. It means the place where living organisms live and reproduce is called habitat. Next point. How do trees survive growing from a wall? The question is that we normally have seen many trees like people trees grown on wall. How they survive? Yes, they survive with the help of photosynthesis process. But every plant need sunlight, carbon dioxide, water and minerals for their photosynthesis process. Yes, people tree can get sunlight and carbon dioxide from the atmosphere very easily. But what about water and minerals? Yes, the roots of people trees are very long. They goes inside the earth with the help of wall in the direction where there the possibility of water and minerals gain, and they obtain from there and get water for photosynthesis process. In this way they can get water and minerals. Now next point. Students, do you know some organisms like lizards and weevil do not drink water? Then from where they get water to survive? Student, it is very easy answer for it. They can get their water from their food. And because of this, they do not drink water. Next point. Do you know students, in polar region, maximum organisms found in white color. So tell me what are the advantage of this white color? Yes students, it is difficult to see them in white snow because of white color and it keeps them safe from their enemy. Okay, now next point. Food chain in desert region. Here I am showing you the food chain. Look, plants. Plants are eaten up by insects. Insects are eaten up by bats and bats are eaten up by hawks and owls. Students, do you know bats hung on the walls of the caves and come out in the evening to search for food? Because their food is small insects flying in the air and nectar of flower and fruits. In this way, the bats are dependent on insects and plants for their survival of life. And in this way, we can say that bats are found in the caves are dependent on the plants growing out of the caves. Next point. Students, what will happen if environment same everywhere? Yes, if the environment of place same everywhere, then you will see same animal, same body structure, same habit, same food habits and same behavior of every living organisms. Okay, next topic. What will happen if all algae on the surface of oceans disappear? Students, if all the algae on the surface of the ocean disappear, then food chain will break and food of small organisms will not be available which will end up their lives, and due to this fish and seal will not obtain food and they will die. Then the polar bears will be die due to non-availability of food. Similarly, in this series, if algae is not present here, then small organisms will die, and because of these small organisms, small fishes will die, and if all small fishes will die, then big fish also will die, and because of this, it is very big problem for the whole ecosystem or this area. Students, hope you will understand all of this, and if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you.